I also welcome today's judges for this event, Dr. V.S. Puranik sir. I request HOD Madam, Srilata Rao Madam to present the bouquet, Puranik sir. I take this opportunity to welcome one more judge for this event, HR Patil sir, Mechanical Department. I request Devangami sir to present the bouquet to HR Patil sir.
Before which I would like to introduce, I missed Dr. A.D. Devangami sir, who is the coordinator for Institute Innovation Council, and he is coordinator for many more things in the college. And under him, 1.0, 2.0 and 3.0 are running successfully. As you also know that he helped the college to get this award. And in future also we'll get more awards with his contribution and constant support to all of us. So now we have judges here, Dr. Vinod S. Puranik sir, as well as Dr. H.R. Patil sir. I'll just speak 2 words about both the judges. It's very important who is judging you. So Dr. Vinod S. Puranik sir was previously the head of the department of MBA department, and is proud that we have learned a lot of things, management under him. And today he is serving as professor and head of industrial production engineering, Basaveshwar Engineering College, and he has completed his PhD in PSG College of Technology, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and ME from the same college. And he has been in a lot of activities in entrepreneurship. Previously he was heading the entrepreneurship cell of Basaveshwar Engineering College, he himself. And today he is the most qualified person to judge you all on the business plan. So I present you Dr. S.S. Puranik sir to you all. I also have Professor H.R. Patil sir, who is serving as Associate Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, BEC Bagalkot. And sir has completed his BE MTech in BEC only, and he is pursuing his PhD in Supply Chain Management. Wonderful project. He's been working very hard. And what makes him the judge is because he has a lot of experience in, because he has worked under Center for Entrepreneurship Development, Basaveshwar Engineering College, Bagalkot, and he has done a lot of activities in entrepreneurship, and that's make him very qualified judge to be here to judge the business plan competition. So with this, I think I've done my duty of introducing the guests. Thank you very much.
Institution Innovation Council, IICS, Bagalkot, V.S. Puranik, H.R. Patil, the judges from the platform is required, and at a very engaged, the ideas need to be nurtured and guided, so that when we go out, you will find your own way. As a student, the academic part or the theoretical aspects are going to be like the insight will be given to all these modules. And today this business plan competition, as I understand, in order to motivate the students, they have kept this particular competition, and so that they will be able to organize their thought processes and get an insight as to how a business needs to be done at a later stage, or needs to become an entrepreneur. In my background. So the most of the technicalities or the technical terms in the other aspects, I may not be the competent person to talk about the things, but in a generic sense, as my common sense says, because we also come across many business people across in our day-to-day life, there are several things that you need to take care. You need to have a concept or an idea, and then you need to have certain objectives, and then start working towards that. There are many intricacies in between which you need to take care. You need to have a short-term goal, you need to have a long-term goal, you need to understand what's the market and what's the product or what's the plan that you have and where you want to reach. And you also need to do a survey, a market survey, in order to understand what happens to your business plan at the end of the day. I really understand is that things are changing very dynamically in day-to-day life because the technology is developing at a very fast pace. What exists today as one of the most competent business and as most successful person will be thrown out if he is not able to catch up with the market. And IISD, if you see something, we are placed in the ease of effort also, and it is his effort. We are only just facilitating. Rather, I would say we require somebody at the backbone to take the things on. And rather, I would say IISD is the backbone. Compensate we have all the students as well as myself and the faculty. So please take the things very seriously as a student. Do not let loose any small things, even the smallest of the threats also. Every threat plays a very important role. Be observant, learn the things, and be very sportive when you have participating in this particular program. I wish you all the best. May God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It gives me immense pleasure to present out of time. First, I would like to thank Dr. S.S. Biswas sir for his support, continuous support in conducting the activities of IISc. Thank you, sir. Also thank Dr. Anil Devangami sir for his guidance in conducting this event. Also thank Dr. Shilata Rao madam, HOD in the department to support conduct the events under IISc also. I also thank today's judges.
Good morning to all. Myself, Pawan Kumar Sivikeri, and my team members are
Vaishnavi Bhangi, Shweta Rathore.
we are going to present an innovative business plan on happy home services. This business plan helps to build all kind of buildings like homes, complex, malls, and schools, etc. The application includes services like civil engineers. This application is intermediary between civil engineers, contracts. The contracts run all activities like material suppliers, fabricators, electricians, plumbers, interior designs, painters, carpenters, and flooring designers. The application also involves Vastu and brokers for brokers to sell or buy their properties.
So these are the examples of the plan which is provided by the app. So whoever first opens the app and select for 2 BHK or any mall blueprint, the same plan will be shown to everyone. This reduces if anyone have the different plans, if they show to another one, that is a business loss. These are the examples of 3D design examples. Next slide will be explained by Vaishnavi.
Thank you, Vishal. This is the annual budget of the business plan. The application development fee is rupees 1,50,000. We will be having 2 computers in our office. The cost rupees is 40,000 per PC. We want 2 PCs. The cost is 80,000, and we will keep a.
Is it possible? You ask me, madam. Are they going to accept? No, the things you have to look at all possible ways actually. The customer. So nowadays what happens, even I have seen the many vegetable vendors, they used to come to this one door to door to sell their products actually. I think it is very good things, very happy about it actually, is it not? So the conversion of, as per the competition of today's business plan competition, we need some parameters to describe it actually, which is not there. That's not a problem. It's not an issue also. So you have done some good things about your ideas and all the things. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Agree with what I am saying.
We are not aware how many children we are will be.
That is what you have gone ahead and you have met the principal and discussed it, everything is fine. But you could have been shaped it into a business plan. That would have been much better because
I will suggest you one more thing.
to mix with some of the MBA friends. Just have it. So along with them you can
Yeah,
plan for
yeah.
that.
See,
That
if
will
you
be
start
the-
with a plan, I hope you can implement very easily.
Yes.
Your idea is good, yeah, your problem identification is good, but what it needs is fine tuning. Investment you have to think of, you have to think of a revenue model, you have to think of marketing and distribution. You are not concentrating only on one school. As a hobby, you can do it.
For now we are.
Yeah, okay, no problem. But if you want to make it as a business plan, then you need to work out. If your idea is very excellent among all other ideas.
Thank
But
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, I am Yohitan, and today I am going to take a business plan about utilizing solar energy to produce electricity. What are the human requirements for day-to-day life? One is food, water, and third one is electricity. Without electricity, nothing runs. Even today, if in a place electricity goes down,
Please take it.
So today we have developed an Android application which helps instant question solving platform for engineering students. So the vision of our application is to transform the way how engineering students, especially in India, used to learn and solve their academic problems and help them networking. So our goal is to create a platform where engineering students instantly solve their academic problems. So we are focusing on these visual problems. Problem is there is no specific platform for engineering students which help them learn, and there is no solution for academic problems. So the solution is we have created a platform where the people, like-minded people, can meet and solve these problems.
My name is Sudeep Sujan. We want to create a platform that instantly solve academic problems of engineering students. So why it is a great time for us to launch our product? Because there are large number of engineering students in India and around the world, and we are also first mover advantage in this market. And it is a major market. Students know how to use this kind of application. We are solving the product, we are fetching the data using the image processing. So our target market is for engineering students who are doing BTech, MTech or PhD. So total addressable market is around the world is 20 million users, and serviceable available market is 10 million, and serviceable optimal market is 5 million. So our direct competitors are Milli.ly, Stack Overflow, Node, and indirect competitors are Quora and Mathway. So what are our competitive advantages? We instantly solve the problems asked by students using image processing, which will fetch our database, and it is free to use, and it also rewards for answering the and also providing rewards to solve problems which could be used to purchase courses in our app. It will be acting like a retention technique. What is our business and revenue model? Through advertisement like AdSense, admediations, and premium plans and courses. Our premium plan includes ad-free product. So what are our projected revenue? If we collect a user base of 5 lakh in next 6 months through and daily active users of 1 lakh, so our daily earning projected revenue will be 45,000 rupees. The formula used to calculate this is daily active users into ad impressions per users and divided by CPM, cost per mile. So what are our estimated costs? The estimated cost of customer acquiring a customer is 40 rupees and lifetime value of a customer is 120 rupees. And what will be our cost? Like a subscription cost, like a SaaS products to market and everything, and server cost like AWS, Firebase, everything. So what are future roadmap? So we will first
everything are being electricized. The cars are the latest cars are coming on electricity, and even electricity is an eco-friendly thing. Now, what are the sources of electricity mainly? There are thermal energy, nuclear energy, wind energy, hydropower plants, and solar plants. But we are not planning to do on the first four because thermal power plants required coal, which would affect the environment, and the government would need a lot of cost to transport the coal and to extract the coal from the mining everything. And for nuclear energy, if we concentrate on nuclear energy, there are only a few plants present, and lot of safety requirements are needed, and the cost is also huge amount of cost is required, and the nuclear waste which is generated by the plants are very difficult to degrade them or even to dispose them. And wind energy, the equipments are required, the larger equipments are required, and the failure of a particular windmill can cause the shutdown of the entire other windmills which are connected to it, and the amount of cost is also. What are the human?
The problem is not that compelling to you. If you see anyone achieving something out of the box, they have not achieved it just by pursuing some education or getting some degree. They pursue their own side hustle. So people are just in India. We hardly have any organization which helps people pursue such interests. But in other countries you will have code camps and etc. Here people are just getting some education, becoming employees of some other organization. I mean, they are hardly pursuing their own interest. So what can be done is we can make an organization that basically teaches students skills apart from their education. I mean, exposing them those skills according to their own interest. Why I am saying that it should be exposed at an early age is they will have ample amount of time, which is not the case when you are grown up. I mean, you will be busy in doing things. I mean, learning a skill is there is a misconception that you learn a skill by just by 6 months or attending a webinar or just by 1 month. Learning a skill has no meaning if it's not implemented in real world. So if you have to implement any skill in real world, you will have to be good enough. For that, it requires ample amount of time. So if you expose children at an early age, they will have ample amount of time so that they can pursue their interest, and they will have interest in learning. I mean, when you are grown up, even if you will be busy in doing, you will be busy in your you will have busy schedules. I mean, they will have interest in the at an early age. We done thorough research on what age should be right, and found out that below 8 is not good. I mean, it will have bad psychological impacts on the children, so they should not be pressurized to learn anything like that, any new skills. And we found that above 9 is fine. And what we are planning is we are planning to teach children skills who are of age 12 or are in 6th grade. What skill specifically we will teach is we won't teach any co-curricular skills like dancing or music. We have so many organizations for that in our country, but we are we are exposing children to such skills which are electronics or robotics, animation, music composition, game development and app development, photography, artificial intelligence, financial knowledge, and much more. I mean, these are the courses we have in our catalog right now. And as I am from electronics department, me and my friends, we are good to go with good to teach electronics. So I have
evacuated from their places, and if it rains heavily or any other natural pandemic occurs, the dams might fill, they might broke, and it will cost more and more hours, and grounding would be taken place. But why solar energy? These are electricity production percentages of the world, and India stands the third in this, third in production of electricity. The best form of energy and cost efficient form of energy is solar energy, because we are getting sunlight from early morning 6 to evening 6, that is, which is 12 hours. The energy can be utilized per day by a solar panel. There are 250 volts of 250 watts of energy is produced. Hydroelectric power is considered as the fifth, India is considered as the fifth largest hydropower energy, because they produce 150 tetrawatt hour of electricity, and thermal energy accounts for 70% of total energy consumed in India. Wind power, we are holding the fourth position in the world in the list of producing 64,485 gigawatts per hour, but solar energy only accounts for 2,308 megawatts, and there are more to be expected, more plants to be expected to come in by 2025. These are the electric sector of India, which are requirements and the energy produced for the India, and what are the private sectors, what are the shares held by the private sectors in the electricity. What is the new implementation of technology? We are using solar panels which are flat, and they should be they are only to be placed on rooftops and on side panels, but due to the solar radiance and Earth revolution and movement of the Earth, the solar energy will not be conserved. The solar energy is not properly utilized. A solar panel can only utilize maximum of 6 hours of the solar energy due to the movement of the Earth and the positions of the sun changes. So I am planning to make a module which can adjust to the movement of the sun, so that it utilizes the complete 12 hours of the solar energy. And thank you. Thank you, sir.
Handmade happiness creation is new, interesting and existing in Bagalkot. On other, we are only handicraft shop having both online and offline selling system. We are adding people and operating from major 3 divisions of Bagalkot, so that we can collect, make and sell our product easily. And next slide.
The mission of our company is the most thing is the mission is to every customer is satisfied with our product and good quality of the products to satisfy every customer from our products. Continuous improvement of the products services to become the first choice of the customers in the chosen area, to also continue our old tradition. Objectives: the being of the customers, well-being of the customers, and second one, to expand business activities in other cities, to be socially responsible by utilizing the waste material for the making new and innovative products. And our products are first one, the bamboo production is very durable, and for growing the bamboos there is no need of chemicals, and it is
and some advertising agency we can advertise our products, and the personal selling in the sense we are going to personal selling, door to door selling, because we are in the introduction stage only. That's why our products are unique products. That's why we are taken the personal selling. And next one, direct marketing. In this direct marketing, we are reducing the intermediators, the promotional intermediators amount, and next is social media. As you know, all are aware of the social media. Nowadays, all are using social media. By advertising our product in social media, everyone will aware of our product is there in market. Our product details, everything we have added in the social media. See, that's why we are promoting. These all are our promotional activities.
House. Well, we are making solar store like depending on a lower level of peoples, like middle class people. The aiming is using solar energy to cook faster. Earlier,
So, we are going to present on a business plan. So, myself, Richa Kashi, and my team members are.
I am Santosh Sankar.
I'm Sarita Reddy.
I am Ravindra.
So, our business plan is a Rootmatic app. So, what actually is Rootmatic app? About the Rootmatic app, it is an online application which helps the parents to track the bus. The app tracks mainly the school buses. The app contains the information about the schools present in the city. So the parents can easily track the bus from anywhere where they reside. The students, once they board and deboard the buses, board and deboard the bus by using the biometric technology. Once the student deboard the bus, even at that time, the message will be delivered to their respective parents. Like the students have successfully deboard the buses. Next, even after the school hours, once the students board the bus, even at that time the parent will get the message. The app contains all the details about the vehicles, what is the vehicle number, and all the driver details, his contact number, everything. The app contains even the activities of all the students, like what is the marks list of the students, what are the activities going on in the school. Even app contains all those things. Whenever the schools are conducting the parents meet and all, the students might forget to tell like there is a parents meet and all. So even this app contains all the details where they are conducting the parents meet and all, and it is delivered to the parents simultaneously. Thank you, and the next slide will be continued by Santosh.
Our Rootmatic app vision and mission to provide the security and safety for the children. Nowadays, parents are usually busy in their works. Our Rootmatic app providing the easy to track the students our children to share the information about the activities of their children to their parents. The vision of our Route Matic app to be the world's leading transport service and transport management solution will provide earning customers confidence by the continuously meeting exceeding and expectations through safety and quality of service. Next slides will be continued by Sarkar.
These are the steps to be followed to the how to use the mobile app. Firstly, we have to download the Route Matic app, and the parents should be select the appropriate school to which their child belongs. And we put the student ID and password, and we have to provide the children to according to their interest rate. And then click OK button. Once we click the OK button, they automatically open the payment dialog box. And wherein they have to take payment to every first student 500 rupees. Once they do the payments, they can track the bus as well as the seat on the activities of their fees. Next, they will be continued.
These are the internal benefits of our minister. Parents will save their time and utilize the time for other work. The parents can get the status of.
My name is Kiran Thakur. Myself Kitana. Myself Ganesh.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shantoshwata Bhatt. Good morning everyone, I am Girija.
So introduction about the presentation. We living here in Bagalkot where buyers are becoming increasingly conscious about the working standards and material quality of the clothes they are buying. Okay. And when it comes to domestic clothing manufacturer, you are more likely to get higher quality produces with regulated labels.
ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ನಿಂದ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಜನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹತ್ತಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೈಟ್ ಹದಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶೀಯ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದು ನಾವು ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಾಗ ಹತ್ತಿ ಏನಾಗೈತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಳುವರಿ ಬರೋಲ್ತು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೈತರು ಅದನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯಾರು ಬೆಳೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಲ್ರು. ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಅವರು ಹತ್ತಿ ಬೆಳೆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹತ್ತಿ ನಾವೇ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಂದ ಹತ್ತಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುವಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೈಸಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ದೇಶೀಯ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿರುದ್ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಹೋಗಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ದೊಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
How do you justify your, is it a new idea or it's already existing? So how do you justify that it's a new idea? New idea.
In Bagalkot there are no manufacturing units of clothes, sir, as we can see, because not much of. And from this we are starting.
Is there no manufacturers or already available?
Already are available, but not of that level. So this is the main concept of this presentation.
No, something you called the word domestic clothing manufacturing means what?
Sir?
Domestic manufacturing clothing means what?
Domestic clothing manufacturing.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
I hope all of you are from MBA.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
See, how you identified the problem first? Is there any rationale behind identification of garment industry? Why you want to go for garment industry?
ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏರಿಯಾದಾಗ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವ ಈ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಗೃಹ
There may not be a factory. It can be supplied from anywhere. Have you done any study on that? Then I think investment and revenue plan is not. You have not made any meticulous revenue planning is very important. Then marketing and distribution. At least you could have, I hope, being an MBA student, you would have been done break-even analysis. All those things are required. Leave about technicalities. You may not be good at technicalities, but very important is you should be thorough with financial planning, marketing, distribution. All those things matter. If you are able to identify a very good product with a very good creativity, innovation in that, definitely you will be able to succeed. Otherwise, it is just a repetition what the other people are doing. That becomes difficult. Okay, all the best.